Okay, here we are with another project. This time we're going to remodel this laundry room. It's okay, it's a laundry room, yeah, but it's got a lot of wasted space on these walls. So the other thing also is this plastic slash fiberglass sink, it just would retain any kind of stains for whatever I washed in it. So here you see me removing all the things. So you remove the thing, you patch the holes, and prep the walls, get ready for paint. Here I am removing the sink, happy to be able to put something else in its place. So everything is ready for me to go ahead and start painting. Meanwhile, here is the dryer system. You all know about this lengthy aluminum piping situation. Well, I switched to the mag vent system, which is really streamlined. It is, you see here, a magnetic piece installed on the back of your dryer, which magnetically attaches to the streamlined piece that you install on the wall. And I think it probably about 100% reduces your risk of dryer fire. So yeah, check that out. Now I'm green taping stuff on the wall just to make sure that things look visually the way I anticipate they will based on the sketch that I've drawn. And also, I can know just about what size cabinets to purchase. So I used the SketchUp program, the internet-based SketchUp program, and marked out the exact dimensions of the cabinets so that I could see that everything would fit into place. Now I am installing the ledger board that's going to allow me to be a one-woman team and putting up these cabinets without, needing anybody to help. So, yeah, the ledger board came in handy. Here you see I've got 2 cabinets installed, and then I thought I would just show how easy it is to assemble IKEA pieces. And so, yeah, all the cabinets came from IKEA. Here I am assembling one, pretty straightforward, and got it up on the wall. So I'm using my handy dandy magnet to find studs and find a stud, drill the thing into the stud, and there you have it. So what I'm showing here is a furniture foot that I'm installing on the bottom of the tall cabinet. It's a 90-inch cabinet from IKEA. I think it's called Section. Anyway, I knew I didn't want it to sit on the tile floor. I wanted to lift it up a few inches. And so, yeah, this is me just showing you how I put the furniture feet on the bottom. Because at the time that I purchased this cabinet, the feet for it were not in stock. So, I just went to Lowe's and got some furniture feet. Anyway, I'm moving the cabinet into place now, seeing, marking off exactly where it'll fit. Here I am cutting out molding so that this cabinet can sit flush with the wall. Now I'm preparing to drill it in place. I found the studs. So drilling it into place and moving on. At this point, all the cabinets are in, and next it's time to install the cabinet doors, which again, like I say, IKEA stuff is pretty easy and straightforward. So yeah, I'm getting to the point where I'm installing all the doors. You see at that top blue space area, it's open. I didn't find a cabinet small enough to fit into that space, but thankfully IKEA sells like a cabinetry board that you can cut to size to fit in spaces such as this, and you'll see how I did that at the end. Underneath these cabinets, I knew I didn't want to see the gaps in between the end of one cabinet and the start of another, so I chose to staple 1/4-inch plywood to the bottoms of these cabinets, which you see here makes things a lot smoother. And so here I am stapling that 1/4-inch plywood into place. So now here you see all the cabinetry is in, the doors are on. Next is moving to using a template to get these door pulls installed. Got the door pulls right from Amazon, and it's pretty straightforward. Just drill the holes and drill the pilot holes rather, and then screw the handles into place. Next, I knew I wanted some kind of a little shelf that would sit right on top of the washer and dryer and allow me to, place things there that I use very frequently, laundry detergent, etc., etc. So I used a 1x10 board, and then I fastened a 1x2 board in the front to serve as a lip. And here I'm just putting on putting on wood filler. And you see I did the happy dance because everything is that, it fits onto the cleats well. Everything is level, looking good and perfect, and I can just keep on moving with this project. So yeah, sliding the washer in to see that everything fits the way I want it to, and it does. So now I can just go ahead and start painting the shelf, which you see here. And then after that, I move into getting this new stainless steel sink and cabinet combo installed. I got this from Lowe's, and it came with the sprayer nozzle. It came with that, and it's pretty straightforward installing it. And here you see how the laundry room is turning out. I got all the space. Anything I need to put away, I can. And you see there is where that cabinetry piece, filler piece came in handy. So everything is polished at the top. So yeah, this is how the laundry room looked before, and this is how the laundry room looks now. I'm really pleased with this project. I am using most of all the wall space, and it looks beautiful.